I'm going to cook some Chinese veggies called Yu Choy. So we're just going to boil it. I'm going to add some condiments to it. Simple way they used to serve the Chinese veggies in Chinese restaurants up to the 1970s. So this is traditional Chinese village cooking. So let's get started. So you don't use oil when you cook veggies this way. So it should be really tender. It's really healthy. And that's the way restaurants used to serve it. Water boiling here. So maybe 3 cups of water here. I'm going to add some chopped ginger, chopped garlic. So 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. To put into. To use chicken stock, but here I'm going to put the chicken broth mix. So just put about a tablespoon in there if you like, maybe a teaspoon if you don't want it too strong. Just like that. I also like to put vegetable stock, so I have this one here. Put in about a teaspoon to a tablespoon. Vegetable stock actually rounds up the flavor, so I like to put it in. So chicken broth and vegetable stock makes a nice liquid for boiling the veggies. We're going to put some Yu Choy, which is Chinese veggies. You can use this for other veggies like broccoli or other kind of Chinese veggies. So this is a traditional way of cooking the veggies in Chinese restaurants up until the 1970s. So afterwards, the Hong Kong influence started with the stir-fried veggies. But this is the old Chinese village style. So just let the veggies simmer at, I would just say, low to medium heat. I like it for about 10 minutes. If you like it more tender, go about 15 minutes. The veggies, make sure it's submerged in the water, or the broth in this case. So try cooking your Chinese veggies this way. Tell me what you think. I like it. Maybe you will too. Veggies in a bowl like this. Oh, that's nice. Nice green color. Simple way to cook the Chinese veggies. When you cook your veggies this way, you don't use oil, so it's really healthy for you. And the veggies are not crispy because you boil them. Easy to digest. So you got to give it a try. You can use this stock for soup. You can make it like a wonton soup. You can use this stock. You can make some noodles. So the broth, you can actually serve it like a cream meal broth like this. So this is like an all-purpose broth. You can use it for wonton soup or noodle soup. You can use it to stir fry as the base for the sauce. Wow, that's good. I'm not kidding, not just because I cooked it, but that's really good broth. So thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always appreciated. And thanks for supporting our channel. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.